Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about why you could soon have your private flying saucer. Let's head into it. Imagine hopping into a zero-emission personal aircraft and zipping skyward over the traffic and congestion to land conveniently right at the office. It's long been the stuff of science fiction, but a team of Washington State University researchers is working with the Ziva Aero, a Tacoma-based startup, and is testing components that one day might make the dream of personal electric flying machine a reality. Ziva Aero has completed a full-scale working prototype of an eVTOL vehicle that they hope will be used initially by first responders and emergency services. The aircraft is a large carbon fiber disc that measures 8 feet in diameter and weighs 317 kilograms gross. The eVTOL has a cavity in the middle where the passenger sits, and the batteries are placed on the sides of the disc. This unique vehicle acts like a hovering helicopter initially when it's lifting off, and then tilts horizontally to fly like an airplane more efficiently, taking advantage of the reduced drag. The prototype is designed to fly at 160 miles per hour for up to 50 miles. The Ziva Zero aircraft will take off vertically, and after about 20 seconds, it will switch to a horizontal cruise mode in which the entire body disc becomes a lift-generating wing. During 4 separate sorties, the Zero aircraft racked up more than 4 minutes of controlled hovering, simulated taxiing maneuvers at slow speeds, and limited vertical climb maneuvers. Ziva's flying saucer is an electric vertical takeoff and landing craft, or eVTOL, that's powered by 4 pairs of rotors. It's designed to lift off vertically with a single pilot, and then transition to a horizontal orientation to fly at speeds of up to 160 miles per hour with a range of up to 50 miles. This is a huge inflection point for Ziva, as we join an exclusive set of proven flying eVTOL platforms, and a testament to the relentless hard work and ingenuity of our entire team over the past 2.5 years. Stephen Tibbetts, Ziva's CEO and chairman, said today in a news release, the company traces its origins back even further to the Boeing-backed $2 million Go-Fly prize competition, which got off the ground in 2017. Ziva was one of the teams vying for the $1 million grand prize, which went unwon in 2020. Despite setbacks, Tibbetts and his team continued to work on the Zero aircraft. Over the past year, the company made some key hires, completed more than 50 successful tethered flights, showcased Zero at November's Dubai Air Show, and won a grant from Washington's Joint Center for Aerospace Technology Innovation. The Ziva team has done an incredible job with the design and manufacturing of this aircraft, which was evidenced in the exceptionally smooth and successful first flight, said flight control engineer Gus Meyer, who guided Zero through the test via a remote radio link. A mannequin was placed inside the cockpit to stand in for a human pilot. During the phone interview, Tibbetts told GeekWire that the success of this week's test sparked huge elation among team members. "We've been trying to take this hill for a long time," Tibbetts said. "Part of what I've been this week is saying, geez, what's next? Specifically, how to take the next hill." Once Tibbetts and his teammates are finished assessing the results of the first flight test, they'll aim to expand the envelope for further hover flight tests and move on to transition flight testing as early as this spring. Ziva is in the midst of an equity crowdfunding campaign that's being conducted on the Start Engine platform. Eventually, the company plans to take pre-orders of the Zero for a $5,000 deposit, with a target price tag of $250,000 or less for the first production units. "Our long-range goal is the consumer, but there are a lot of pieces that have to be put in place before that happens," Tibbetts said. "Getting the flying saucer certified by the Federal Aviation Administration will be a crucial step. The first customers may well be the first responders and emergency workers in areas where getting around is particularly challenging, where there is no infrastructure. Those kinds of vehicles are perfect," Tibbetts said. What do you think about the flying saucer? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.